Morning all. Thought I'd have one or two 5-minute games. It's a bit too early, probably, so I'm probably going to get slaughtered actually. It's 8 o'clock, and so hang on, there's 46 title players on 9 out of 8, 3-6. Hove. Okay, Sicilian, I think. Maybe that dragon line actually with a quick D5. See if I can play that as black. That'd be really interesting. Is he going to play bishop c4 though, or is he going to allow the quick d5? Oh, he's going to castle kingside. Ah, d5 here. There's e5 though. So I think knight c6 first, because d5 e5. So knight c6 first for d5, I think. Whoa, got that position. So now e5, I can play knight e5. So this would be good to sack the d pawn if he takes on d5, and then offer the rook for bishop f5. So queen c7, bishop f5. I hope. So 2 rooks for the queen. I'll take with the king. Take with the king. Is there a problem? Take the bishop. I'll take with the. Don't know actually. I'll take the bishop. Is this any good for me? I'll play h5 next, then king h7. Keep these bishops. I'll play this. Then for right. So if I play h5 and then bishop g7 after. Okay. So I'll give him my king pigeonhole. Maybe queen b7 hits b2 and g2. Next, queen e5 is also a threat. Threat? People have got me on the pronunciation of threat as well. Sorry. Okay. Anyway, so queen b7, or queen b7 can go d5. Queen d5, c4. It's all a bit harmless at the moment. What about bishop? Just bishop f6 and then king g7, just to safeguard my king for a moment. A bit more prophylaxis against the back row stuff. Right. So queen d5, isn't that winning on the spot? Oh dear. Hang on, there's c4. But if b3 queen d4, that would be embarrassing. But c4, that's not much, is it? Bishop f5. Nope, don't know. So where's my attack? Here. What can I do with the queen? I can play a5, a4, bit of restraint on the queen side. It's 3-1 otherwise. It's queen b3. Doesn't do anything. So this pawn's going to get more useful. Okay, I'll try and undermine this structure with h3. And get h3 in. And he's going to play h3 himself. a5, a4. Oh, okay. Queen d5 here or queen b3 looks dangerous. Queen b3 is weakening that diagonal. Interesting. So I'll try and win the exchange with check and bishop b3. Unless there's anything better. Anything better than winning the exchange? This pawn's getting a bit dangerous. h3. Can I just try and win this C6 pawn? Let's throw in the check. What about bishop g5 anyway? At the end of this, oh no, I'll win the exchange and see what happens. I'll try and get that pawn back. What about bishop takes b2 anyway? It'll be rook and bishop versus queen potentially. Bishop takes b2. I've got to get back to that pawn. Queen b3. I can play bishop e4 after queen c4. Bishop c2, queen c4. Bishop e4. Okay, here. I'm on b2 still. But this bishop, if I can maybe bishop d4 and f5. So bishop d4 just to play f5. Just to kick this before it's too late. Or e6 first for f5. Actually there is f5 because of queen check, which means I can play e5 first just to stop c7, and then f5, and then if bishop d5 there's queen b5. So I'm winning that bishop. That's nonsense. Look. Yep. Yeah, that d5 line's pretty dangerous, isn't it? This, when they don't play bishop c4, still castle queenside. So queen c7, key move. Just eyeing c2, offering the rook. Nice to play on the black side. It's quite fun to play on the black side of this in Blitz. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.